Clogged fuel injectors are draining hundreds of dollars from your wallet every year, and most drivers have no idea it's happening. That replacement quote for $800 to $1,200 you just got? Professional mechanics will tell you it's unnecessary in most cases. Proper cleaning techniques can bring your injectors back to life for under $25, and today I'm walking you through 8 methods that actually work for gasoline engines. Your fuel economy could jump 5 to 15%, and that 4-figure repair bill might disappear completely once you know what you're doing. Tip number 1. Recognize the warning signs before damage occurs. Weeks before any real damage happens, your vehicle starts dropping hints about dirty injectors, but the signals get missed because clogged injectors mimic a dozen other problems. Rough idling stands out first, especially sitting at red lights when your engine shakes or stumbles like it's struggling to stay alive. Poor acceleration tells you something else, because when you step on the gas and nothing happens for a second or two, those injectors aren't delivering enough fuel to your cylinders. That check engine light flashing on your dash might be throwing P300 series codes, which mechanics recognize as misfire patterns linked to fuel delivery problems including dirty injectors. Watch your fuel economy too, because dropping 2 to 3 miles per gallon without changing how you drive means your injectors can't atomize fuel the way they should, and you're burning money with every tank. Catching this early means spending $20 on cleaner instead of facing a $1,000 replacement down the road, but drivers ignore rough idling for months and turn a simple fix into a complete fuel system rebuild costing thousands. One thing to remember, misfires can point to spark plugs, ignition coils, or other mechanical failures, so get those diagnostic codes read properly before you assume it's just the injectors. Tip number 2. Choose the right fuel injector cleaner. Walk into any parts store, and you'll see shelves packed with bottles promising to clean your injectors, but most of them are too weak to touch the carbon deposits and varnish actually causing your problems. Polytheramine, which everyone calls PEA, is the only ingredient proven to break down hard carbons sitting on your injector pintles. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, Redline SI1, and BG44K pack 15 to 20% PEA into every bottle, while generic brands barely hit 2 to 3%, and that's why one works and the other doesn't. The chemistry works like this. PEA molecules grab onto carbon deposits and tear apart the molecular bonds holding everything together, letting fuel flow wash the debris away. Professional shops reach for Chevron, Techron, or BG44K when they need real results, and yes, you'll pay $12 to $25 instead of $5 for the cheap stuff, but one bottle of the real thing beats 5 bottles of the alternative every time. A Toyota Camry with 95,000 miles came in throwing cylinder misfire codes. The dealer wanted $890 for new injectors, and one bottle of BG44K applied correctly made those misfires vanish within 100 miles. $22 versus $890, and the only difference was choosing a product with actual cleaning power instead of hoping the cheap bottle would somehow work. Tip number 3. The high RPM driving method. Automotive professionals have been using this technique for decades, and when you combine it with quality cleaner, the results show up fast. Modern engines running at constant low speeds never reach the temperatures needed to burn carbon away, so deposits just keep piling up on injectors and valves until something goes wrong. Controlled high RPM driving raises combustion temperatures hot enough to incinerate those deposits, and here's exactly how to do it without hurting your engine. Drop your PEA-based cleaner into a tank sitting at 1/4 full, making sure you've got at least 2 to 3 gallons protecting your fuel pump. Then fill the rest with premium fuel and drive normally for 20 miles while everything circulates. Find a safe highway stretch with light traffic and accelerate hard through the gears until your tachometer climbs to a moderate level, but check your red line first and stay 1,000 to 1,500 revolutions per minute below that maximum. Most vehicles can safely hit 4,000 to 5,000 revolutions per minute, though your owner's manual knows your specific engine better than anyone, so verify before you push it. Hold steady for 20 to 30 seconds, ease off gradually, and repeat this 3 or 4 times during your drive. Combustion heat spikes combined with cleaning chemicals break carbon deposits loose from your injectors, and the debris shoots straight out your exhaust where it belongs. One Mazda owner reported throttle response coming back to normal after a single high RPM session with quality cleaner, and the only cost was the fuel already in the tank plus the bottle of cleaner. Moderate buildup often responds to this technique, restoring performance without touching a wrench. Tip number 4. Understand fuel quality's impact on injector health. Buying the cheapest gas at every fill-up seems smart until your injectors start clogging, and then you realize not all gasoline meets the same standards. Minimum-grade fuel carries just enough detergent to satisfy EPA requirements, while top-tier gasoline, which is a real certification backed by BMW, Honda, Toyota, and General Motors, packs 2 to 5 times more cleaning agents into every gallon. Chevron, Shell, Mobil, Costco, and several other brands carry top-tier certification. And those extra detergents matter because injectors spray fuel through microscopic holes measuring 50 to 200 microns across. Tiny deposits shrink those holes, incomplete combustion follows, and carbon buildup accelerates until your injectors can barely function. 2 Honda Accords with identical 60,000-mile odometers made for a practical test. One owner bought exclusively top-tier fuel, the other grabbed whatever was cheapest. And after 2 years, the top-tier vehicle ran perfectly while the budget fuel car developed rough idling, lost fuel economy, and needed a $180 professional cleaning to fix the damage. Top-tier fuel costs about $0.05 to $0.15 more per gallon depending on your market, and someone driving 12,000 miles annually at 25 miles per gallon burns 480 gallons yearly, making the premium $48 at the high end. Avoiding $180 cleaning every few years pays for that difference and then some. Plus, maintaining optimal efficiency keeps more money in your pocket every time you fill up. Before we continue with 4 more advanced techniques, if you're already seeing how much money these methods can save you, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss future videos that keep more cash in your pocket instead of handing it to repair shops. Now let's talk about the concentrated treatment method that professionals use. Tip number 5. The concentrated treatment method. Professional mechanics know that how you apply injector cleaner matters just as much as which product you buy, and the biggest mistake people make is dumping a bottle into a completely full tank. Run your tank down to 1/4 full while keeping at least 2 to 3 gallons for fuel pump safety. Pour in the entire bottle of quality cleaner, then add only 3 to 4 gallons of premium fuel on top. That creates a concentrated mixture strong enough to actually dissolve deposits instead of just floating past them, and you'll drive this tank under different conditions including highway speeds and that high RPM method from earlier. Concentrated solution hits your injectors repeatedly with maximum cleaning power, and after you burn through this tank, fill up normally and put another 50 to 100 miles on while the system flushes clean. The elevated PEA concentration dissolves deposits faster and more completely than diluted cleaner could manage in a month of driving, which is why this method gets results. A Ford F-150 with 120,000 miles kept throwing cylinder misfire codes. The owner had already tried cleaner in full tanks without improvement, and using this concentrated approach with quality product cleared the misfire within 30 miles. $15 solved what the dealership wanted. $950 to replace. And the only difference was application technique. Before you hand over money for professional work, this method deserves a shot. Tip number 6. The sequential treatment approach for severe buildup. Heavily clogged injectors from years of neglect won't surrender to a single treatment, and that's when mechanics turn to sequential concentrated applications before considering physical removal. Carbon deposits built up over 100,000 miles need systematic breakdown in stages, starting with premium injector cleaner added to a quarter tank the way I described, plus 3 to 4 gallons of premium fuel driven down significantly. That initial pass starts breaking hardened deposits loose, and within the next tank or two you repeat the exact process with another bottle of the same cleaner. The second treatment attacks deposits the first application already loosened, and the advantage over spacing treatments months apart is that partially broken deposits can't re-harden between applications. Chemistry works progressively here. The first bottle penetrates outer carbon layers, and the follow-up dissolves exposed inner layers before they oxidize again. A Volkswagen with 180,000 miles ran so poorly, the owner faced a $1,400 injector replacement. Quote, but the sequential treatment method using quality cleaner brought the engine back to smooth operation, restored lost power, and improved fuel economy enough to notice at the pump. 2 bottles of premium cleaner cost approximately $44, saving over $1,300 compared to replacement. And this technique succeeds often enough to make it worth trying before you pay for removal and professional ultrasonic work. 2 proper treatment cycles should show clear improvement, and if symptoms persist after that, mechanical failure rather than carbon buildup is probably your real problem. Tip number 7. Implement a preventive maintenance schedule. Waiting until symptoms appear means you're already wasting money on reduced performance and poor fuel economy. But preventive treatment stops deposits before they reach problematic levels. Fleet managers figured this out years ago, which explains why commercial vehicles routinely hit 300,000 miles without injector trouble. Add quality PEA-based cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles whether you notice symptoms or not, which works out to 2 to 4 treatments annually for most drivers, and use that concentrated application method through a partial tank for maximum punch. Top-tier certified gasoline should account for at least 75% of your fill-ups, providing continuous low-level cleaning between treatments. Spending $50 to $80 yearly on prevention beats paying $180 to $300 every few years for corrective cleaning. And it absolutely destroys the $800 to $1,500 you'd face for complete injector replacement. Clean injectors maintain factory fuel economy, and on a vehicle averaging 25 miles per gallon, even 5% efficiency loss from dirty injectors costs roughly $150 annually in wasted fuel at current prices. Preventive maintenance pays for itself through maintained efficiency alone, never mind avoiding repair bills, and following this schedule consistently prevents injector problems, rough running, and fuel economy loss on high-mileage vehicles. Check your owner's manual for any manufacturer-specific recommendations before you start. Tip number 8. No. When chemical cleaning won't work. Chemical cleaning has limits, and pushing past those limits wastes money or potentially damages oxygen sensors and catalytic converters with excessive cleaner use. Sequential treatment with professional-grade product should show clear improvement, and if symptoms persist or return quickly after proper application, mechanical failure rather than carbon buildup is your actual problem. Continuing to pour in more cleaner won't help at this point and might cause harm. Persistent misfires after 2 complete treatment cycles, visible fuel leaks around injectors, strong fuel smell, or fuel economy showing zero improvement despite proper cleaning all indicate failed injector seals, damaged pintles, electrical failures inside the injector body, or other mechanical issues needing professional diagnosis. Professional ultrasonic cleaning offers a middle ground before complete replacement, with specialized equipment performing deeper cleaning either on vehicle or with removal, and this service typically runs $150 to $250 versus $800 to $1,500 for new injectors. Ultrasonic cleaning succeeds frequently when chemical methods fail, particularly at shops with proper equipment, but some drivers spend months and over $100 on multiple bottles trying to fix mechanical failures that chemistry cannot repair. One customer tried different products for 6 months before getting proper diagnosis, a cracked injector body leaking fuel, and the delay caused catalytic converter damage from raw fuel exposure, turning a $400 repair into $1,800. Recognize when professional intervention becomes the cost-effective choice, because proper diagnosis is worth paying for. 8 proven methods now sit in your toolbox for cleaning fuel injectors without removal, potentially saving $800 to $1,500 in unnecessary repairs. Recognize symptoms early before damage spreads. Use quality PEA-based cleaners with concentrated application technique. Try sequential treatments when buildup is severe. And maintain a preventive schedule using top-tier fuel to stop problems before they start. Proper injector maintenance delivers better fuel economy, smoother performance, and substantial savings over your vehicle's lifetime, though your owner's manual should always guide vehicle-specific decisions, and knowing when professional diagnosis is needed can prevent small problems from becoming expensive disasters. If this video just saved you hundreds on an unnecessary repair, drop a comment below and let me know which method you're trying first. Hit that subscribe button for more money-saving automotive tips that actually work, and if you've got questions about your specific vehicle situation, leave them in the comments, and I'll help you figure out the best approach. Your wallet will thank you. Before you go, quick disclaimer, everything here comes from my professional experience and research, but your owner's manual should always be your first reference. Follow what your manufacturer recommends for your specific vehicle. If you're not comfortable with any maintenance work, find a qualified mechanic you trust. Stay safe out there.